dear friends, I am very glad to inform you that the Kannur branch of SARC of ICI is organizing an All Kerala Inter-Branch Shuttle Tournament on 21st July 2024 at Dreams Badminton Arena, Kannur. I request all of you to send maximum participants for this tournament. I have already issued a brochure and sent it to the branch chairman, and I request all of you to make it a successful event. Once again, I am thanking all the branch chairmen, RCM Sadish sir, and all fellow members for making this a wonderful one. Thank you very much.